Yes, Big Bird, I am ready.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen.
And monsters.
And monsters. And kids. Presenting Big Bird and Grover, who are here to explain to you the number 2.
Yep.
Little Grover here will demonstrate by chinning himself 2 times.
2 times.
2 times, okay?
Should I start?
Okay, go ahead, Grover.
Okay, here we go.
That's 1. 2. There, that was 2 chins. There.
Yeah.
That was fine.
Okay.
Yeah, that was fine, except
Good.
I think you should do it again.
Again?
Yeah, make sure everybody understands, too.
Okay, this is difficult, Big Bird.
Yeah, well,
Okay,
you're
I do
doing
it. I do it for you. Here we go.
You're doing real
One
well.
more time. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. There's 1. Another one, Grover. 1, and another one makes 2. There we are, 2.
Okay, I can get down now. Okay, Big Bird.
Well, I think it really wouldn't hurt if you did it again.
Oh, Big Bird, it would hurt very much.
Well, just try it again. Let's make sure we get the number 2
This is hard.
really done well.
Okay, I think I can do it. Maybe just one more time.
Okay. Look at those muscles flex. There's 1.
I'm not strong, but I'm wiry.
Yeah. It's up there. And there you have it, folks. 2. Wonderful, Grover. Wonderful.
Okay, I can get down now.
Well, yes, we've got the number 2 clear in everybody's mind.
Good, okay.
Now, folks, we present Grover doing the number 18. Come here, Grover. Grover?